Hey guys, I'm Shivangi, your friend and guide. Here I'm with a lot of mini tutorials to make you guys learn design and make your own professional business out of your passion. So, in today, I'm gonna make you guys learn how to make this cool U monogram or logo mark in Illustrator. So for that, first of all, open your Illustrator and get a size of document of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now select, go to line tool. From the toolbar, select and drag it like this, a vertical line. And now with the selection tool, shortcut V, just hold alt and drag. And to make more copies, I'm going to make 6 more copies by doing Control D for each one, like this. And now just go to ellipse tool from the toolbar and make a ellipse from the first line to ending to the last one. Similarly, a line close like this. Go on. Now we have these 4 circles. So zoom into that and you can see, but they are not aligned. So select all 4 of them like this and go to align, front align to, select it, align to selection, and now make it a horizontal center, such a target like. So now it's okay. Just go to a rectangle. Now drag a rectangle from top to bottom, covering all the circles that I made earlier. Just making notes that all things that I am doing is having no fill and only outline, that is of black. Now with the selection tool, make sure it is everything is intersecting with each another. And once you are happy like this, I think it's much better than before. Yeah, something like this. Now it's much better. Each and single line are intersecting with each other, and just drag and select all of the shapes that we have, and now go to shape builder from the toolbar, and I'm just removing some upper parts and some down extra lines. Now that we are having this shape, but still something more to do. It is to make some more lines from the second circle one, like from the center, hold alt and shift and drag. Similarly, I again just delete all the parts. Whoops, no, I've just Control Z. Firstly, hold alt and drag here. We want a shape of U, so drag the below lines and they will be subtracted. And from this part, we are making the bigger U style. But as you can see, this is somewhere it's not intersecting here on the right side. So zoom into that, have a look at nearby. You should always check that nothing is left from being intersected. And now it's time again for the shape builder tool. Now it's okay. We make a bigger U. And here, whoops, again a minute error. We will again simply by dragging and checking out, zooming in, we can check it, and once again and now it's done. Again we added, and for subtracting hold alt from the keyboard and drag on your mouse on the parts where you don't want the shapes to be joined, or you want to delete those shapes, just drag your mouse there like this. Deleting some extra parts and again placing my design over here and just recolor it like this. We are done. We are done with a U logo mark, such an intricate one with the simple steps. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson, and if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon for never missing a video update.